Windshield wiper. That's the rubber itself, and this distance is 6 millimeters, 5.5, almost 6. So it will be held from here and from here, the lower side. It's rubber, it's flexible, and that will move to the left and to the right. Okay, and that's the centerpiece. It has these two parts which are blocking it from moving to the left and to right. Okay, you have these two metal parts. They have holes at the ends. These end elements will enter there, and that part will enter into that opening as you move it like so to the left. Okay, so get the central part, put it there, under there. That's one part. The other one is identical. Put that one down, like so. Now get the rubber and insert it between. Let's push them outside. So the two metals are down here. Now we have these plastic elements. Insert the metal there. This shows it which way. So get it out, rotate it around, insert it into there. Now put this one to the lower side also. The two ends must be uncovered. I already broke this one a little bit, but you have to push down those two elements, this and that. So now they are higher, and if you push them down they are lower. The same thing on this thing also. So you just have to push down those two. So it has to enter above this plastic. This metal is pushed that way. I have to pull it down. Now it entered. It's not coming off. The lower one is to the right side. Now this is moving. The rubber can be pulled out. This is not broken. Now you have to put the metal below this plastic, and it's ready. It's not moving. Just push down those two plastic things and you can remove this end, this portion, and you can replace your windshield wipers rubber. So here's the end of another wiper, and on this one you can't even push down these two elements. You have to open it from the middle. So you pull up the metal. Let's try the other end. So it looks like this. Pull out from here and push up this plastic element. Lift up both metals and you can remove it. This one is a bit different than that one. You cannot push down this either. Neither that one. You can remove this one also. The rubber is visible in the middle. Or just pull out the rubber. This rubber is broken in the middle. It's still usable, but it's older and it's broken in the middle. This has a different connector. This was on top. It has an arrow and a circle and a circle, and it has a hole here in the center. You have to push it down. It's not moving. So this is holding it much tighter than the other model. I'm not sure. I think this is plastic, but it's pretty hard. So when you open it, lift it up from here, lift up the metal, and those two will be disconnected, and just push the plastic forward. Lift, push, circle to circle, arrow to arrow. This thing is holding the two metal plates very strongly, you cannot remove that easily. So on this model you can insert a screwdriver and lift it up from the center, but on this model you don't have that gap, so you cannot lift it up, but instead you have to push those down. On this one you can push them down, and this plastic is much thinner than that one. It's much more easier to disassemble this one than that one, but other than that they look pretty identical.